Welcome. This is how to resolve export issues in Instagram edits. So guys, to fix this, what you could try to do is resetting the application. So in order for you to do that, you could just simply go ahead and go through the settings into your phone. And now after that, just simply scroll down. And now here, you could just simply go for the apps. Now, once you are here on the apps, you could just simply go for the Instagram edit, or you could just simply find it over here. Now, if you cannot find it, guys, you could just simply go ahead and use the search icon at the top, and let's just simply search it up and select edits. Now, over here, you could just simply go for the storage, and you will have two options. You could either go for clear cache, which temporarily clears the data. Now, if it doesn't work, you can just simply go back over here and try to do a full reset into your phone by tapping on clear data and tap on OK. And right after that, just simply relaunch the application and you should be able to reset the app and this should fix the issue. There you go. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below and we will do our best to answer them all and see you in the next video.